Jai Gurudev. This is Charumati. I have been doing this certification of yoga course by Ministry of Ayush uh, under the guidance of Narsing Bhaiya. It's been about a long since I have been involved in any of the physical activities, and Narsing Bhaiya has no wonder uh, created a magic in me. I have actually reduced 2 to 3 kgs during this course period itself, and I'm sure I'm going to continue this and then bring it to all the benefits. And I am also eager to see how much of this I can share it to others, because that sharing thought itself has been instilled by Narsing Bhaiya now. He's been so nice during the course that any questions, any doubts, any clarifications, you will not stop asking. There will be no hesitation. He would be so approachable, so you can easily ask any questions to him. And the follow up that he does to make sure that you're doing everything, or you're getting the benefit out of this course, that is amazing. I don't see any other teacher in a regular course does this kind of a follow up. Thanks to Bhaiya, thanks to everyone for the opportunity.